Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So today's video is none other, whatever, than another Ulta haul. You guys, I don't know what it is, if it's TikTok or what, but I am always in Ulta. Like, I find myself in Ulta like 1 to 2 times a week. Like, I'm always in there shopping, buying stuff. Like, it's just, I used to always be in Sephora, and now I'm like never in Sephora. I'm always in Ulta, and listen, I am loving every minute of it. I'm loving pretty much everything that I am buying from there. So I have a big old bag right here of goodies that I'm really excited to share with you guys. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this bag because there's a lot of stuff in here and I don't want to be here forever. So I'm just going to pull from the top and go from there. So the first thing is this Urban Decay Stay Naked Hydromantic Tinted Glow Hydrator thing. It's what I'm wearing on my face right now. I did just film a video on it, so I'm not going to give you guys too much detail on it. You guys will see in that video, but this is what it looks like. I saw Casey Holmes using it, and I was like, okay, I really need to try it to see like if it's good, what it's all about, and I'm like 50-50 on it right now, but that video will be up for you guys shortly, and then you guys will be able to see all of my thoughts and feedback on it, so stay tuned for that. So up next is from Too Faced. This is their Born This Way concealer. So I tried this when it came out years and years ago, like 2-3 years ago I tried it, and I returned it right away because I did not like it. But my good friend Santos always is using it and is always raving about it in his videos. So I was like, you know what, I really need to check it out. So this is what it looks like. And honestly, I have been loving it. I've only had it for about a week, but I have been loving it. It's the concealer that I'm wearing underneath my eyes right now. I really think it blends out really easily with like no effort. And it just gives like a smooth, full coverage look underneath your eyes. And I have been really enjoying it, so I'm super happy that I finally bought it. I did get mine in the shade Almond and Snow just because I couldn't find like the perfect one. So me, I'm always mixing my concealers. It's just like what I do. So up next is from Ulta's actual like I think like body care line, like their Ulta Beauty line. This is the Juicy Berry scented body lotion. I recently picked up one of their body washes, and I kind of like liked it. I really liked the scent of it. I didn't like the formula of it necessarily, but when I saw this and smelled it, I was like, oh my god, I need to pick this up. I have been loving this moisturizer, you guys. I smelled it in store and I was like, all right, this smells amazing, and it's so smooth. It's not like one of those like really thick like body lotions where you can kind of like feel it on your skin. It absorbs pretty quickly, but it gives a really beautiful, I love using it when I get out of the shower, like right before bed, and just putting it on. It just smells so good. I really like am interested to try more things from Ulta Beauty's body care line, but this so far is my like favorite body lotion at the moment. I'm so annoying, but I really like this scent. Like I said, I like to use it when I get out of the shower at night, and it's just really good and not like too heavy of a body lotion, which I really appreciate. Up next is from Juvia's Place. This is from their Velvety Matte Lipstick, the Nude Mauve line. So I got mine in the shade 2020. So the color on the packaging looks like this really like cool tone, pinky color, right? And then I used it for the first time today. This is the packaging, by the way, which first of all is so frigging beautiful. I love it. But the shade, like the shade is nice. Like, don't get me wrong. Like for pretty much anybody would like love this shade. I think it's really beautiful. Like that's what it looks like. The formula of this is really nice, but I was hoping for more of like this type of color, like at the top, not like this rosy color that we have happening here. This shade, like the shade of the box, reminded me kind of Max Blankety. I don't know if you guys know that lipstick, but that used to be like one of my like go-to lipsticks like back in the day, and this is what it reminded me of. And I don't know, I'm not really into that. I don't like these type of pinks. Like they're just not, I don't think that they suit me, so I don't like them. I like more of like brown, nude, gray, that type of thing. If you watch my videos and you know that I'm always wearing like a brown, nude, or like gray lip, like it's just what I do. And this shade I was really disappointed in, but the formula is really nice, but the shade, no. I have been on the hunt for this for weeks and months now. Like, I saw it on TikTok and I couldn't find it anywhere. I actually didn't get it at Ulta. They do sell it on the website, but in my Ulta they don't sell it in store. I actually got this in Primark. I was in Primark and I saw it and I was like, whoa, okay, like I need to try it. This is the Milani Cream to Powder Foundation. So on TikTok, people have said that this is pretty much a dupe for the Kat Von D, that new Good Apple Balm foundation that went like completely viral on TikTok. I did swatch it, that's why you see my fingerprint in it. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm so intrigued to try this because I love the Kat Von D Good Apple foundation. It's literally like one of my favorites. So I'm really intrigued to see if this is good. So I'm really excited to try that. Next product is another TikTok thing. This is from Tree Hut. This is the vitamin C sugar scrub. So I picked this up because I see it all over TikTok. This one, I wish I got a different scent because this scent isn't bad at all, but like it's not my favorite, but it's a nice scent, but it's just not like my favorite. I would rather it smell like this body lotion than smell like how it smells, but it's fine. I have used it probably like 3 or 4 times and I do like it. It does really like exfoliate your skin and leave your skin feeling really, really smooth, but it's not something that's gonna like lather. So it's not going to like, it's not gonna be like a soap, you know what I mean? Like you're gonna put it on, it's gonna exfoliate and then you're gonna rinse it off pretty much. It's not gonna like really like lather like a soap does, which is obviously because it's a scrub, but I feel like you do have to use a little bit more because of that. So if you want to get your whole body, you do have to kind of like take a pretty nice like chunk and do it like that, just because it's not really good at lathering. But so far I like it, and there's so many scents. I was in Ulta like 2 days ago and I just saw like a whole display of it like in one area and I was like, whoa, that's a lot. So they have so many different options, but this is just the one that I picked up. I'll talk about the last TikTok product because everything else in here I don't think TikTok made me buy, but this TikTok definitely made me buy. So it is finally summer in New York, and as you guys know or don't know, if you're not from here or you don't really care about New York or whatever, New York pretty much has like 8 months of winter. So winter will usually start like November-ish. It'll start to go to like from the 60s and 50s down to like the 40s, and then it'll stay in the 40s, and then it'll go to like the 30s, and then by January, February, and March, we are like in like the teens. We are in like 10 degrees, 20 degrees, like 30 degrees, like it gets cold. So we have like, it just started getting like consistently warm like towards the middle, end of May. Like we had a few like 70-degree days like in April, like late March, but then it kind of went back down to like the 40s. So now we're like in the steady 80, 90-degree weather, which is like my jam. So in the summer, I love to lay out and tan because I don't get to year round. So I saw this on TikTok. This is the amazing Maui Babe Browning Lotion. I saw this and I've seen girls on TikTok use it, and I guess like when they use it in the sun, like it makes their tan like darker, which, you know, I am all about. Obviously I wouldn't just go in the sun with just this. I would use like my SPF 15 or my SPF 30 and then put this over it. I would not just go in like this. I don't recommend going in the sun without sunscreen. You definitely want to protect your skin from the sun, but if this is going to help enhance my tan while I'm protected with sunscreen, I am all about it. So I haven't tried it yet, but I am planning on tanning this weekend, so I'll probably do a TikTok on it. So if you guys don't follow me on TikTok, my TikTok is at Danielle Blends. Make sure that you do follow me. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. Next, this was pretty much an impulse buy. I was in Ulta and I was in the hair section and I was just like browsing, and I've never tried anything from this brand. So I saw this and I was like, let me give it a try. This is from IGK. This is the Beach Club Volumizing Texture Spray. I have been using it for a few days now, and honestly, I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like it kind of weighs my hair down, and it kind of makes my hair like not super like soft. Like I know that it's a texture spray, but I'm used to the Way one. That one is so good. It doesn't weigh my hair down. It doesn't give me like this crunchy feeling like this one does. This one gives me like that kind of like hairspray like feel. I'm not too sure how I feel about this yet. I did get mine in the travel size. I always recommend buying things travel size first before you commit to the full size. It's just how I live my life, but I'm not sure yet. I think like the Way one more than this. The Way one is just so good, and it works so good on my texture hair. I have really fine and thin hair, so this one is like a little too much grit for me, so I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. Up next is from L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal True Match Glow Lotion, or Glotion. Wow. the glotion from them. I saw this and I was just like, I've seen a few people talk about it on TikTok and I really wanted to try it. And I feel like it's good to mix in with like your SPF. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So that's it right here. I wish I did get the darker shade because I do like to have a little bit of a darker shade when I mix in with my SPF, but this isn't horrible at all. I did use it today, and so far I have been enjoying it. I feel like this is really good for summer if you just want to like look natural. Like I said, mix it in with your SPF or like any type of foundation. I really love this type of stuff that mixes in with foundation, or you can even wear it on your own, I mean on its own, whatever. But so far so good. I think I will pick up the deeper shade though, just because I want to see like how that one works. But so far I am really liking that. These next three products, I did just do a review on them, so I am wearing them right now. This is from Jaclyn Hill. This is her new like under eye collection that she came out with. So I did pick up 3 of them. I picked up the Brightening Light Banana Loose Setting Powder. I wanted to try this so bad since she announced it. I was like, yes, 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 I need to try this. So like I said, I did get mine in Light Banana. First of all, this packaging is gorgeous. Jaclyn Hill kills it, kills it, kills it when it comes to packaging, like always. And then I did pick up the palette. So she came out with a brightening and setting palette. So I picked mine in like the lightest shade, I'm pretty sure. So again, packaging is so cute and so good. This is what it looks like. So it comes with 4 different shades, which I really appreciate that you have all these different options. You kind of have like a lavender, like a white translucent kind of, and then like some skin tone like ones, which I really appreciate. So like I said, I did just get done doing a video on these, so I cannot wait for you guys to see that video. I'm not sure which one will be up first, if this will be up first or that video will be up first, but we'll see. I picked up the Under Eye Hydrating Primer. So she said that this was like her favorite product out of like the whole collection. So I was like, okay, I need to try it. So this is what it looks like. Again, packaging is gorgeous. And then this is what the applicator looks like. So like I said, the video will be up shortly, and then you guys will definitely see all of my thoughts and stuff. I don't want to spoil anything. Picked up a lash glue from Duo. I wanted to try a different lash glue because the one I've been using I don't really like love all that much. So this is from Duo. Again, this is the Rose Water and Biotin adhesive in the shade Dark, because I kind of hate, not kind of, I do hate the like clear or the white like lash glue. I just think that it's so like annoying because you can see it like while it's just like, I hate it because you can see it. So I like the black one because it's going to blend it in with your liner or your mascara. So I really appreciate that. So I got it. I haven't tried it yet, but I am really excited to use it because like I said, the one that I've been using is really like, it's really, really tacky. So it's not like my favorite. So this was like $6 I think, so I'm really excited to try that out. This was such an impulse buy. Like I was in Ulta and I was just browsing and like I knew that I already wanted it and liked it, and then I walked past it and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna buy it. This is the Ariana Grande perfume in the, I think it's the original one, it's from the Ari one. So first of all, this box is so freaking cute. This perfume is really expensive. It was like $44 for just 1 ounce. This is what the packaging looks like. But you guys, there's something in this perfume, in this scent, that is just so good. It's very fruity and like girly. Like it's not a like sexy like night out scent like at all. It's more of like a girly, just, it kind of reminds me of bubblegum, but it doesn't smell like bubblegum. I don't really know, but I have been in Ulta, like I said, like 1 to 2 times a week at least. And every time I'm in there, I'm always spraying the tester like all over myself because of how much I love how this smells. And I just picked it up and just put it in my basket and bought it, and yeah, like here we are. But that is such a good perfume. So if you want like a really fruity, girly perfume, definitely check that one out. I don't think you guys will be disappointed. It is so good, and I cannot wait to wear it because I'm just like dying to wear it. Guys, so that completes this haul. I feel like I said, I'm always in Ulta. I'm always buying stuff. So this is like, this wasn't just one trip. This was like 2 or 3 trips that I just wanted to like put into like one video for you guys. But yeah, so that's all I have for you guys in today's video. Let me know down below if you guys have any of these products, if you guys have tried any of these products, and let me know if you've ever smelled this Ariana Grande perfume, because I want to make sure that like I'm not alone with obsessing with that scent, because that is just like probably going to be like my favorite perfume for a while because of how good it smells. So let me know about that. And yeah, so that's all I have for you guys in today's video. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye.